Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can pivot a table in Google Sheets. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to docs.google.com in your web browser and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside, you can either start a blank spreadsheet or one of the spreadsheets provided by Google Sheets, or you can even work on a previous Google Sheet that you've already been started. So for this video, I'm going to choose this as this is where I pre-prepared a table that we would use for this video. Now, make sure that your data, as you can see right here, has column headers. For example, I have 4 column headers for date, salesperson, region, and sales. Now, the data must contain consistent data types for each column, and there should be no blank rows or columns within your dataset. Now, we can select any cell within this data range. And then, on the top menu, we're going to click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, but we will choose right here, Pivot Table. And then, we can choose whether to insert it on a new sheet or an existing sheet. For this video, let's choose a new sheet. Then click on Create. Now, the next step to build our pivot table is to look on this right panel right here. As you can see, rows, columns, values, and filters. And then we have the option to add right here. Now, rows will group your data by row values, columns will group your data by column values, values are the actual numbers you want to summarize, and filters allows you to include or exclude certain data. Let's have an example setup. On the rows, let's add salesperson. On the columns, let's add regions. And on the values, I'm going to add sales. And then we can see our pivot table right here. Salesperson is on John Mary from north and south, and this is our grand total. And by simply clicking here, if you want to edit it again, let's close this or clear all. For rows, let's add dates instead. For columns, let's add region. And for values, sale. And as you can see, our pivot table has been edited again. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!